If you're running into an Evernote login error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. Login issues can happen for a few different reasons, and the good news is that most of them are easy to solve without any advanced troubleshooting. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fix guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, the very first thing you want to do is check whether Evernote is having a server issue. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all, and the login error happens because the service itself is temporarily down. To check that, open your browser and go to status.evernote.com. Once the page loads, look for any current outages, service alerts, or degraded performance notices. If Evernote is experiencing an outage, the best thing you can do is wait until the service is restored. In that case, your login should start working again once the platform is back to normal. If Evernote servers are up and running, the next thing to try is disabling anything that might block the login page from loading correctly. That includes VPNs, proxies, ad blockers, and privacy extensions. These tools can sometimes interfere with sign-in sessions or prevent the authentication page from communicating properly with Evernote. Turn off your VPN if you have one enabled, pause any browser extensions that filter content, and then refresh the Evernote page. After that, try signing in again and see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the login problem, the next fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can cause sign-in pages to loop, freeze, or fail to authenticate properly. To do this, open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security. From there, find the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and cached images and files, since those are the most common causes of login conflicts. Once you've cleared that data, restart your browser completely, and then go back to Evernote and try logging in again. This simple step solves a lot of login errors. If that still doesn't work, try using a different browser or an Incognito window. Sometimes the issue is tied to a browser-specific setting, an extension, or a save session that is causing the sign-in page to fail. Open in an incognito or private window and attempt to sign in to Evernote there first. If it works in private mode, then the problem is likely related to your normal browser settings or extensions. If the issue continues, switch to another supported browser and test it again. This helps isolate whether the login error is device-related or browser-related. Now, if you've gone through all of those steps and the login error is still happening, the next thing to verify is your account details. Make sure you are signing in with the correct email address that is actually connected to your Evernote account. It's very easy to accidentally use a different email, especially if you have multiple accounts or you normally sign in with a different method. Double check your login credentials carefully and if needed, reset your password so you can confirm that your account is active and accessible. A password reset can also help if the issue is tied to an outdated or incorrect password. At this point, one of these steps usually resolves the issue. Most Evernote login errors are caused by either a temporary outage, browser interference, stored cookies, or an account credential mismatch, so go through the fixes in order. And don't skip the early steps because they often solve the problem fastest. If one fix doesn't work, move to the next until you find the one that gets you back in. And that's how you fix an Evernote login error step by step. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.